Are you tired of struggling as a freelance videographer? If so, this video is for you. Welcome to Learn Videography. My name is Kyle Loftus, and today I'm going to be sharing my story, how I went from $0 to over $100K a year in revenue with my personal brand and creative business. You're also going to learn how I generate high-ticket clients utilizing my 4-step Social Samurai sales system. Additionally, you're going to learn how we make scaling your creative business easy utilizing our automation station. And I also want to share how we can help you land high-ticket clients as well as scale your personal brand and business. I'm also going to pop in some testimonials. And then finally, if you stick around to the end, I got a special giveaway, so you don't want to miss that. I am personally on a mission to help videographers scale a 100K plus per year personal brand and creative business. And so if you are looking to experience that transformation, stick around. You're not going to miss the goods here. Now, giving some context, who am I? I am an award-winning director and cinematographer. I've won an award at the Miami Independent Film Festival for my film, A Certain Haze. Additionally, for my documentary, The Awakening, I won an award at the Hollywood International Independent Documentary Film Festival. I've helped over 50 plus creatives go full-time and earn over 10K plus per month with their creative business and personal brand. I have 8 years earning over 100K plus in revenue with my creative business. I'm the owner of 2 successful businesses, be that my production company, Kyle Loftus Studios, as well as Learn Videography. I'm a blue belt in Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, I'm fluent in Spanish, and I'm an ACA certified life coach. But it wasn't always this way. So flashing back to 2017, I had just graduated Ohio University's Scripps College of Communication with a degree in screenwriting and producing. I took a gig with the Orlando Magic. It was an internship as a videographer and editor. So I moved down to Florida in 2017 with nothing but a trunk full of clothes and a camera. I had to sleep on a couch, guys, for over 6 months just so I could save up enough money to afford rent. Struggle number 2, fresh out of college, I had over $35,000 in student loan debt. And because I moved down from Ohio to Florida, I had 0 connections, 0 clients. Struggle number 3, I was working for the Orlando Magic, which sounded great on paper, but I was only getting paid $7 an hour, working 80 plus hours a week when we were in game season. This left me with little to no free time. And again, I was barely able to pay rent. I had to ride my bike everywhere. It was so embarrassing. Struggle number 4, on top of all of this, I was just mentally and emotionally defeated. I was overwhelmed. I was battling anxiety and stress, imposter syndrome. And this all left me so overwhelmed and uncertain about my future. So here are some photos. Again, this is my trunk full of clothes, and you can see my laptop set up here, transferring some footage from the GoPro. This is me with some other interns at the Orlando Magic. And as you can see here, this is me putting in some early hours, earning that sweat equity to grow. So again, guys, what did I struggle with? I struggled with getting new and high ticket clients. I didn't have confidence in my sales, and I didn't have confidence in pricing myself either. I didn't know how to handle objections. I had no processes or systems within my business and no automated tasks. So I was wearing every single hat. I was the videographer, the editor, the colorist, the accountant, the lead generator, the sales rep, everything. And as a result of this, I didn't know when and how to scale my business and build a team. So beforehand, I tried Facebook ads, cold emailing, door to door, but nothing was working consistently. That wasn't until I learned from my mentor, Jacob Owens. With the right systems, strategy, and mindset, you can definitely scale beyond 100K plus per year with your personal brand and creative business. Fast forward to today, and I decided to share what I've learned inside Learn Videography. So today I make over 100K plus a year in revenue, and I'm actually able to get to spend more time with the people I care about, living my dream lifestyle, investing time in my personal health and happiness, pursuing my passions and hobbies, and traveling. On top of that, I have internal happiness, doing what I love every single day, and emotional fulfillment, helping like-minded creatives like yourself succeed, as well as my clients in the production realm. As you can see here, this is me getting my blue belt in jiu-jitsu. This is me in Spain with my parents, getting to travel all over Spain and Scotland with them for over 2 weeks. This is me climbing in the French Alps. I would not be able to do all this, guys, if I didn't have systems, processes, and an automated business that allowed me to have free time, right? Rather than working in the business, I'm working on the business. This is some photos, just me and some of the filmmaking homies on some of the sets recently over the past year or two. Been an awesome time. Absolutely love it. So I want to ask you guys, does this sound familiar? Does this sound like you? I'm making somewhere between 1 to 7K a month, but it isn't consistent. I'm confident in my work, but I'm just not attracting my dream clients, or they're not finding me. I get all my clients through word of mouth and social media. I've done cold outreach in the past, but it didn't really work. And I've ran some Facebook and Google ads before, but I didn't get any results. If that sounds familiar, guys, this video is for you. Stick around here. So again, are you struggling with any of these things? Imposter syndrome, not knowing the next steps, feeling stuck and overwhelmed, struggling with prioritizing, wearing too many hats, not knowing which tasks will actually move the business forward. Saying no, you're just taking on every project, even the low paying ones, because you don't know when the next project is going to come around. Cold outreach fears. You know you need to get more clients, but you're so scared of reaching out because you're afraid you're going to push them away, or maybe you'll get rejected. Inconsistent lead generation. You're just relying on the occasional gigs, word of mouth, or people just funneling into your email inbox. Sales and objection handling. You have no idea how to close deals. And if someone says, no, we need to think about it, you just let it be. You don't know how to actually turn that no into a yes. Lack of systems and automations. You're mainly doing everything yourself, which keeps you from growing your business efficiently. And then hiring and scaling. You're unsure when or how to bring in help, which keeps you stuck doing everything yourself, and again, limits your ability to scale. Why most methods don't work. They're targeting the wrong audience. No pain points, no purchasing power. They're not easy to target, and they're shrinking or a stagnant industry, right? So think music videos, for example, right? Do they have a pain point? Sure, they need more listeners, but does that mean they have to have a music video? Like as a music artist, do you need a music video to get more listeners? No. As an independent music artist, do you have a lot of purchasing power? Do you have money that you can invest monthly, and we're talking thousands of dollars in music videos? No. Are you easy to target? Maybe, but is it a shrinking or stagnant industry? Yes. So like, are artists for music videos a great target market? Probably not. Targeting the wrong market. If they're not in health, wealth, or relationships, they are not the right kind of client to target. Think of companies like Athletic Greens, right? This is an e-commerce brand. They have lots of needs for content on social media, for the website, for online sales with e-commerce, be that on Amazon or their own website and platform, right? And they're based in the health industry. Doctors' offices, lawyers' offices, right? These are easy to target. They have great purchasing power. They have a pain point. They need content to market and get new clients coming in. They have a lot of money, right? And they are based in health or wealth. Investing heavy in meta ads. It costs a lot of money and there's no guaranteed ROI. Or maybe you're relying on word of mouth and referrals. I mean, these are great. They're helpful, but it's inconsistent lead flow. It's an unreliable system. And worst of all, you're constantly starting these relationships from scratch. Every single one of these people, you have to get them to know you, to like you, and to trust you. And then you're at the mercy of the marketplace. So if COVID happens or the economy is just in a really bad place, inflation like we're experiencing now, right? It can be much more difficult to get clients, and especially high ticket clients, because you're at the mercy of the marketplace. SEO build out. This takes months to get on Google's first page. It requires a monthly fee to maintain the spot. And again, there's no guarantee you're attracting high ticket clients. You might be getting clients, but maybe it's a baby photo shoot, right? Or a family photo shoot. It's not necessarily high ticket clients working with a company like Gatorade or Timberland, right? Now, why our 4-step Social Samurai sales system is the best way to get high ticket clients. Guys, it is based in reality. And so the best way to get clients is, first, we need the portfolio. We need to get the content and the strategy to position ourselves the right way. If I want to work with a company like one of my previous clients, Gatorade, I need commercial content that shows Gatorade that I can produce high-level work for them that's going to get results. It doesn't matter if I've shot 50 incredible weddings. That doesn't showcase to Gatorade that I can execute on a commercial for them. So portfolio is first. Second, positioning. This is our branding, our tone, our messaging style. Are you the cheap surfer bro that's just affordable for anyone down the road? Or are you a luxury brand that services the Apples and the Nikes of their various industries? Right? So how we position ourselves matters. Pitching and pricing, understanding sales strategies, conversion frameworks, how we can price based on value and value stacking rather than pricing based on the service or the hour. And then partnerships, right? We want to focus on the client experience, getting them actual results, not just making a cool video. And additionally, selling a transformation. Most people sell a product or a service. I want you to think about how you can sell a transformation. How can you make a client and a brand and business feel like they went from point A to point B? You've completely transformed their brand. And we did that by utilizing photography and videography or one or the other as the vehicle to get them there, right? So what makes us different? This program teaches both the creative and the business. I don't know another program out there that does that. We give you access to all of our scripts, templates, systems, and automations. I'm very, very excited to show you guys the automation station. I think this is the best part of Learn Videography. I honestly do not know of another program out there that is giving away their proprietary information. Everything we have been building to systemize and automate and scale our business over the past 10 years, we are handing over to you. There is no one else doing that. I guarantee it. Shoot me a message if you can find someone else, because I am so confident no one is doing what we are doing. We've been in the industry for 10 plus years, and we have data to back up our copy and paste proven formula. You get one-on-one messaging support from your coach and lifetime access and constantly updated content. Most programs never update their content or are often using outdated strategies, right? I am still running my video production company, guys. I'm still scaling it. Therefore, I'm teaching you what is working for me, not what worked for me 10 years ago, what is working for me today. All right, so now I want to jump into how our program works. So within the program, you're going to get business and personal branding strategy calls every single week. So we've got weekly coaching calls as well as workshops. These last anywhere from 60 to 90 minutes. You can easily join via live in our private dashboard, or you can watch the recordings on your own time if you ever can't make a call. And again, you're getting exclusive coaching from myself. On top of that, we include the Creator's Blueprint course. This is a 10-step module, step-by-step guide on how to scale your business. Again, this is my copy and paste proven formula to scaling. The automation station. So again, you receive exclusive access to all of our business systems, processes, proprietary information to helping you structure, systemize, and automate the back end and front end of your business. Lead generation scripts, discovery call, my sales call archive, contract templates, email templates, proposal templates, editing systems and automations, et cetera, guys. We are loaded with these details. And so to quickly outline the Creator's Blueprint and the automation station in greater detail, as you can see, these are various 10 modules. I can scroll on the side here and showcase this to you as well. And so what's really, really powerful is as you go through the Creator's Blueprint, let's just click on client sales script, for example, right? So as you go through this program, not only are you getting a 40-minute training video detailing a sales script, how to utilize it, when to leverage various different points, but we give you a link to the sales script. Now, why this is so powerful is you can literally duplicate all of this and implement it into your own back end of your business. So not only do you get a full discovery call script with a training video, but you also get the client sales script with a training video and the full script. On top of that, again, you get detailed archive library, right? So in this library, you can literally see examples of successful discovery calls I've had where I've closed clients. You can also see sales call examples, nurturing lead examples, right? All of this is intentionally given to you to implement into your business, not just so you have it on your own back end for yourself, but also when you are ready to hand off the keys to someone else, you can give them that assignment. They've got a training video. They've got a script. This is how you systemize and automate your business so you can scale, guys. All right. Now, on top of that, you also get community access, right? So inside of this community, we have a private mastermind group full of like-minded creatives, right? So over here on the feed, you can see a basic overview, how it works, how to operate and engage with everyone. We've got constantly new challenges that we're updating into here, and so you can earn more points to get private one-on-one calls with me inside of here. And additionally, we've got these meetup locations. So again, you can head into them live, or you can watch the recordings on your own time. And additionally, on top of all that, we've got the art of cinematography, right? So we've got 50 plus videos, over 10 plus hours of content, all on mastering the art of cinematography. So for example, I can jump into here, shaping and light, click on dynamic light, and now I'm enjoying this content and learning how to master dynamic lighting. So with all that being said, all of this is included for just $97 a month. This is a 12-month long program, guys. I am so excited to work with you and help you scale your business. Again, I don't know anyone else that is meeting this price point or offering something like this. And again, my special invitation to you, if you've stuck around this far, is I want to give you access to everything today, completely free. Take the free trial and check this out. Guys, I am so confident in what we are offering and how we can help you scale your business that I know you're going to love everything in this. So I want to give it to you for free up front. Use it, abuse it. And thanks again for watching. I am so excited to work with you and help you scale your business. And I'll see you on the inside.